Imagine thousands of starlings sweeping across the sky in perfect shifting patterns, or a colony of ants building intricate tunnels, each insect seemingly knowing just what to do. This is swarm intelligence at work, a remarkable phenomenon found throughout nature. In a swarm, there's no single leader barking out orders. Instead, every member follows simple rules and responds to local cues. For example, birds in a flock adjust their direction and speed based on the movement of their closest neighbors, creating mesmerizing aerial displays. Ants lay down chemical trails to food, guiding others without words, forming efficient networks that adapt as conditions change. Fish in a school dodge predators by reacting almost instantly to their companions, moving as one to confuse threats. These collective behaviors allow groups to solve problems, find resources, and adapt to threats with astonishing efficiency. The real magic? Each individual doesn't need to know the whole plan. By following basic behaviors and sharing information locally, the group achieves complex goals, often outperforming any single member. Swarm intelligence shows us how cooperation, not command, can create order from chaos, revealing nature's secret code for collective success.